Kismeta. What are you... Alexei Romanov! What are you doing up there? Kismeta. What are you doing down on the floor? You're up there. You're on the floor. Oh, Anton, you're where you belong. Come here, Kismet. There you are. Here you are. Come on, let me pick you up. Up, uppy. Come on, get up here. There you are. There you are. Kismeta. Now, Alexei Romanov, you can fly. So get your bummy over here and get where you belong. Well, no, you're good up there. Kismeta. Oh, hi, Alexei. And there's Kismet, and there's where's Anton? There's little Anton. Hi, Anton. Yeah, school Kismet. You deserve it, girl. You do. Hi, Kismet. Alexei Romanov. You are something else. I bet you lured Kismet out. That's alright. Little Anton. He's so awesome. He would never do anything wrong. He rocks your life. Kismeta. You love your hubby, Anton? Get close. That's how you are. Get close. Goofballs. Love 'em birds. Love 'em birds.